What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Cash Machine by Oliver Tree. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got a few different chords that kind of repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Now there's really only two different parts to this song, the verse and the chorus, and they're just a little bit different from each other. Starting with the verse, we're going to go A major bar chord, which is 5, 7, 7, 6, 5, 5. Bar the 5th fret with your index finger, ring finger 7th fret A string, pinky finger 7th fret D string, middle finger 6th fret on your G string. Then go down to F sharp minor, which is 2, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2. Bar the 2nd fret with your index finger. Your ring finger is going to be on the 4th fret of the A string, and your pinky finger is on the 4th fret of the D string. Then we're going to go C sharp minor, which is going to be 0, 4, 6, 6, 5, 4. Nothing on the low E. Bar the 4th fret starting on the A string with your index finger. Ring finger D string on the 6th fret. Pinky finger G string on the 6th fret. Middle finger 5th fret on the B string. Then we're going to go D major bar chord, which again, nothing on the low E. 5, 7, 7, 7, 5. So you're barring that 5th fret now with your index finger starting on the A string. And then you're going to bar the D, G, and B string with your ring finger. And technically, you want to try and get that high E on the 5th fret there. You don't have to. If it's, you got to kind of bend your ring finger as you're pressing it down so that you're not muting that high E. If you don't get the high E, it's fine. You can just do A, D, G, and B. That will be plenty. Now your strumming pattern for the verse is going to be the same. It just repeats. It's going to be down, 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 up on the A major bar chord. Down, 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 up. Up, down, 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 up. On your F sharp minor, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. Now we're going to jump into the chorus for the song. It's using some of the same exact chords, they're just played a little bit differently. So starting for the first 2 repetitions for the chorus, you're going F sharp minor, and you're down strumming these chords twice. So here, 1, 2, go to A major, 1, 2, C sharp minor, 1, 2, D major, 1, 2. And again, that happens twice. So those first 2 look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, for the rest of the chorus until we go back into the verse, you're going to be down strumming in counts of 4 those same exact chords, just without the C sharp minor. Starting with your F minor, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 counts on your F sharp minor, 1, 2, 3, switch to A, 4, 1, 2, 3, switch to D on 4. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, and technically on the last 3, 4, you can put your middle finger on the 7th fret of the A string. That would look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I mean, really, if you want, you can move that. You can just move that in formation down to an E major, which is that same D, just slid down to 7, 9, 9, 9. On that 3 and 4, totally up to you. Whatever's easiest. You don't have to do it at all if you don't want to, but there is that little pickup note before they start the whole thing over. So from the top, I'm going to show you what the chorus looks like. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One will win a guitar accessories kit that's got a capo, guitar straps, strings, picks, everything you need in there as a beginner guitarist. And the second winner is going to win a free Billy Schultz Music t-shirt from my merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All that you have to do to enter the giveaway is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and leave a comment on this video with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the announcement of the monthly prize giveaways, and then once I hit 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to live stream the announcement for that as well. And to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys on Instagram, on YouTube, liking, commenting, it doesn't matter on what platform it is, that's just going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. So again, to enter all the giveaways, like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications so you get the notification for the live streams, and leave a comment on any of the videos with a song you would like me to teach you on guitar. Also, make sure you're checking the descriptions for all the videos because I got a lot of really useful links down there for you guys. The free ebook, Master the Guitar in 7 Days, will always be down there. The guitar tab for any of the videos will be down there. All my personal information is in there, my Instagram, my socials, my email address. Thank you guys again. I really can't say it enough. Your support has been incredible. I can't wait to give away next month's giveaways, and I can't wait to give away this acoustic guitar. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section below. Shoot me an email, DM me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. Those are the easiest ways to get in touch with me. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next video.